How long can immigration hold inmates is a complex issue that involves various factors and regulations. To understand this topic, it is essential to break it down into key concepts and steps. Firstly, immigration detention is the process by which the government holds individuals who are suspected of violating immigration laws. The length of detention varies depending on the individual's circumstances, such as the type of immigration violation, the availability of bond, and the speed of the court process. Typically, immigration authorities can hold inmates for up to 48 hours before they must be charged with a crime or released. However, in some cases, detention can last for several months or even years, especially if the individual is waiting for a court hearing or appealing a deportation order. It is crucial to note that immigration detention is not the same as criminal detention. While criminal detainees have the right to a speedy trial, immigration detainees do not have the same rights. Instead, they are subject to administrative procedures that can be lengthy and unpredictable. To navigate this complex system, it is vital to understand the different types of immigration detention, including mandatory detention, discretionary detention, and detention pending removal proceedings. Mandatory detention applies to individuals who have committed certain crimes, while discretionary detention is used for individuals who are deemed a threat to national security or public safety. Inmates who are held in immigration detention have certain rights, including the right to legal representation, the right to a bond hearing, and the right to appeal a deportation order. However, navigating these rights can be challenging, especially for individuals who do not speak English or are unfamiliar with the legal system. Best practices for inmates who are held in immigration detention include seeking legal representation as soon as possible, keeping track of court dates and deadlines, and staying in communication with family members and friends. It is also essential to understand the different options for release, including bond, parole, and supervised release. In conclusion, the length of time that immigration can hold inmates varies widely depending on individual circumstances. Understanding the key concepts and steps involved in immigration detention is crucial for navigating this complex system. By seeking legal representation, staying informed, and following best practices, inmates can ensure that their rights are protected and that they receive a fair hearing.